Hey there, Griddle Nation. Today we're super excited to put the Armeator Wireless Meat Thermometer to the test. This little gadget claims to be the ultimate grilling companion, and we're going to find out if it lives up to the hype. So let's fire it up and get started. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's take a quick look at the Armeator Wireless Thermometer itself. The charging case is sleek and well designed. I like that it locks and also features a magnet so you can hang the case out of the way while you are cooking. Inside, we find the wireless meat thermometer. The case acts as the charger for the thermometer with a single button to turn the thermometer on and to connect it to your phone. The thermometer itself feels solid and well built. Alright, enough talk. Let's get cooking. We have a beautiful New York strip steak here, and we're going to cook it to perfection using the Armeator. We'll insert the probe into the thickest part of the steak and set the desired temperature on the app. This app allows you to select the type of meat you are cooking and then the desired level of doneness. I do wish it allowed me to select the specific cut of meat. Once the temperature is set, we'll place the steak on the preheated Blackstone griddle and let the Armeator do its magic. We can relax and enjoy the company of our friends and family without constantly checking the steak's doneness. As the steak cooks, the Armeator app shows us the real-time temperature. Something I noticed that is conspicuously absent from this thermometer compared to its competitors is the ambient temperature. This is an important missing feature when doing those longer cooks in a smoker, where the ambient temperature is crucial for a perfect cook. We'll keep an eye on the steaks, and once it reaches the desired level of doneness, it will alert us and we'll take it off the griddle and let it rest for a few minutes. I noticed that the thermometer also doesn't alert you until the steak reaches the desired temperature. This can be an issue as the steak's temp will continue to rise while it rests. As you can see here, the temperature has risen well above the level that I would like for a medium rare steak. Next time, I will definitely be setting the temperature below where I want it, about 5 degrees, in order to achieve my desired doneness. And there you have it. Thanks to the Armeator Wireless Meat Thermometer, the steak is actually juicy, tender, but cooked a little more than our liking. I will chalk this one up to user error and learning to use the tool. In conclusion, the Armeator Wireless Meat Thermometer has certainly impressed us with its outstanding wireless range, stable signal connection, incredible battery life, and ability to withstand extreme temperatures. With a little tweaking on our end and how we set the temperature, this can be a truly worthwhile tool, though I do think its use can be limited without it providing us the ambient temperature. If you are interested in checking out the Armeator Wireless Meat Thermometer, you can click the link in the description below and get your hands on one. Thanks for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Until next time, happy griddling.